right, the line just went running, so we got something. What we got? Feels pretty good. We don't want to force it, so see if we can keep it on top. Feels good though. There you go, feels good. Good fire though. Looks like a striper. Looks like a good size one too. Oh, the next one. Oh man, must be striper time right now. Okay, this is a big striper. Look at that. Look like we got something here too. So. Oh wow, we got something heavy over here. Wow, so we got a big striper and we got something really heavy over here on this side. Wow, okay, this is pretty good. Holy moly, it's a heavy one. Yeah, that's a big striper right there. Oh man, we got something big over here. Yeah, it's recording. Oh, this is heavy over here. Lose it. Oh. It feels heavy. Wow, it's big, whatever it is. Yeah, it feels real heavy. Holy moly. Oh man, it's heavy. Really heavy. Oh my goodness. We got a big fish. We got a big fish. Big fish. Holy moly. Oh man, this is big. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Oh man. Oh my gosh, ripping line. Big fish, whatever we got on here. Big. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Oh man, big fish. Big fish. Oh my God, I'm excited. Haven't seen what it is yet, but whatever it is big. Cannot force it. Gotta let him do whatever he needs to do. Still can't see what it is, but it's a big fish. Getting close now. Oh man. Oh man, this is a good one. Oh my gosh. Can't force it. Can't force it. Never force it. Never force a fish. Oh my Atlanta. Oh my God. Okay, it's recording. We got. Oh man, this is big. Man, this is a big fish. I still haven't seen what it is. Look at that pole. Holy moly, it's big. Okay. Come on, let's see. See what it is, see what it is. It's getting close, getting close, getting close, getting close. Getting close. It's getting close. It's getting close. It's getting close. Okay, I see it. Oh man. Holy moly, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh, it's big. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is a big fish. It's a big fish. Oh. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh. Holy moly, it's big. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, sheesh. Come here. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my God. No, 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 no. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, come on. Oh, man, this is big. Holy moly, it's a battle. Oh, my God. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. One more time, one more time. Oh! Bam! Oh, shit! Bam! Bam! Holy moly. Okay. Man, okay. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's in the net. Holy moly, it's recording? Yes, it's recording. Oh man. So I just got a big striper. Check this out. Woo! There's a big striper right here. Look at the striper. That's a big striper, look at that. But I got a big fish in this net right now. Man, big fish in this. Holy moly. All right, let's get this out here. Oh man, this is a big fish. Okay, so it's in the net, so I'm not tripping. Oh, wait till I get him on the pool. Oh man, it's big. Oh, no, we got a monster. Oh, okay. Oh man. Oh, this is crazy. All right. Okay. Oh, it's recording. All right, ready? Oh my gosh. This is what I've been waiting for. Monster. Oh man. Here we go. Oh, bam. Oh, oh man. Man. Oh man, this is a big fish. Holy moly. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, light tackle. Holy moly. Oh man, you guys ready for this? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Monster fish. Monster fish. Monster fish. Monster fish. Lipped. He was on the lip. Lipped. Just barely on the lip. He bent the hook too. He bent the hook. He bent the hook. He bent the hook. It's all bent and all messed up. Holy moly. Man, we got a big fish. Okay. Oh man, we got it's all tangled, all messed up. It's all messed up. Everything's messed up, but this is crazy. All right, so we're gonna get this big striped bass. Look at this. Look how big this guy is. Man, this is a big one. See how long this guy is. Oh man, this is a show. This is the show. This is a big striper too. Let's see. Oh man, this is good. Holy moly. Oh, it's a big striper. 22-inch striper. And a huge catfish. Back to back. Look at that. Look at that. 22-incher. Look at that. No joke. No joke. Oh man, we got a lot of stuff on film now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. 22-inch striped bass. Look at that. And then we got this monster over here. Oh man. Okay. See how we're gonna do this. Oh, big old catfish. Big old catfish. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. You ready? That's what we got right here. Whoa! Bam! Monster catfish in your face. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how fat that thing is. Yes. That's what we want. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that mouth. Whoa! Man, this is a monster. Look how fat this thing is. Okay. Look at that. Oh! This guy fought like woo! Look at how long it is. Look how long that is. Look how long that fish is. Man, look at this monster catfish. Look at that, look how fat. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm screaming, I don't care. Ooh, my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beast. That's a beast. Look at that belly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We scroll them through. Bam. 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 Look at that. Bam. Oh man, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Man, I'm excited. Oh man, This guy's huge. That was a battle. This was a battle. Look at that. Holy moly, look at that. Look at the head. Bam! Look at that. Oh, okay. So I'm sounding crazy, but I'm excited and I don't care, but here you go. Look at this. Man, oh my gosh. Okay, so my heart is beating too hard, so I'm gonna have to stop this video because I'm gonna have to relax for a minute. But look at that. 22-inch striper and a huge catfish back to back. One more time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. 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 And bam. Oh my God. Okay. All right, I gotta stop this video. I'm at Los Vaqueros, fall 2020, and bam, look at this monster. All right, I gotta have me a drink of water, and my heart is pumping like you will not believe. But look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. 22-inch striper and a huge catfish back to back. You witnessed everything. You witnessed it all. Oh my God. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bam. All right, I gotta go. Woo. I'll be back when I'm rested and not so crazy and my heart's not pumping so hard. There we go. There we go. Look at that. There we go.